Good morning, students. Today let us start our class with the lesson The Sentence from your grammar book. You all know that what is a sentence. We express our thoughts by speaking or writing words which are arranged in a particular order. These groups of orderly arranged words make complete sense and convey a clear meaning. Okay, students? So, we can say that a sentence is a group of words which are arranged in a particular order to convey a complete sense and a clear meaning. Means, a sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense or complete meaning. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Always a sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay, and will be a definite order and always ends with a full stop or question mark or an exclamation mark. Let's take some examples. I like mangoes. Here, first letter is capital. I is here. I is the subject and I is capital letter. And like mangoes. After that, at the end of this sentence, you can see one full stop. And this sentence is giving us complete sense. I like mangoes. So we can say it is a sentence. Next example, whose pencil is this? In this example also, first whose is coming and first letter of this word whose W is in capital. Okay, and last question mark is there. Okay, so we can say this is also a sentence because it gives a complete meaning. Okay, next, how well she dances. In this sentence also, first letter is coming in capital H. Okay, and at the last we can see the exclamation mark. Okay, sentence is also giving us a complete meaning. So we can say these all are sentences. If we write the same sentence, I like mangoes. Like mangoes, like I. This is a sentence or not? No, this is not a sentence. Why? Because it does not give us a complete meaning. Okay, we don't understand what is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, so we have to arrange these words in a proper order. Then only we will get the right meaning. Okay, for that we have to write the subject first. Okay, here I is the subject, capital letter we have to write, then verb like, then object mangoes. Okay, last full stop. I like mangoes. Now it gives us complete meaning, so we can say it is a sentence. Now let's learn about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. In this section, we will learn about assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. The sentences express a statement to tell a fact. Okay, that type of sentences are called assertive sentences. Always we use these sentences to say or to state some fact. Okay. These sentences always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay. Let's take examples. There was a diary on the desk. In this sentence, there first letter T is capital. Okay. And at the last there is one full stop. And this sentence states a fact. What is the fact? Diary on the desk means there was a diary on the desk, and it gives us complete meaning. Okay, so we can say that this is assertive sentence. Assertive sentences always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Next example, we all wish to live a happy life. Here also, the first letter of the word we is in capital, and at the last you can see one full stop there, and it gives us a complete sense, complete meaning, and it also states a fact. This is a statement. Okay, so we can say it is an assertive sentence. Next, one more example. The girl drank a glass of juice. In this sentence also, the first letter of the T is in capital, and at the last you can see the full stop, and it also tells a fact. Okay, so we can say this is also an assertive sentence. Okay. Now let's learn about interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences we use usually to ask questions. You all know interrogative sentences. Okay? Interrogative sentences always start with a helping word or a question word. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall. These all are helping verbs. Okay. What, where, how, why. These type of words are question words. Okay. An interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Okay, we can identify it very easily because it starts with a helping verb or question word and ends with a question mark. Let's take examples. What is your name? Here, first letter of the word is capital and question word is coming. Okay, and at last we can see the question mark. It asks a question, so we can say it is an interrogative sentence. Next example, how are you? Here also first letter is in capital H and first word is also a question word, and at last there is one question mark, and it also asks a question, and the meaning is complete, and we can say it is an interrogative sentence. Okay. Next example, is he sleeping? In this sentence, is a helping verb. Okay, and at the end you can see the question mark. Okay, and it also asks questions. Okay, and gives complete meaning. So we can say it is also an interrogative sentence. Next, one more example. Have you done your homework? Here also have is a helping verb and it ends with a question mark. Okay, and it also asks question and it gives a complete meaning. We can say that it is a interrogative sentence. Okay students, Let's end this section here. Thank you.